Okay, 6 runs, the winning margin in the end, but 6 runs were enough for RCB to be lifting that IPL crown. Remember, this was the season where many had said could be RCB's season, because if you believe in numerology, then this was the 18th season. 18 is also the number of Virat Kohli. So many are saying that this was destined to happen, and it has happened in the end. What you're seeing right now are pictures from all across the country. We've taken you to Bengaluru, where fans are celebrating. They are ecstatic at the moment, looking at how their team has performed. We're also showing you pictures from Ahmedabad. In fact, let's take you live back to Ahmedabad. Nitin Srivastava, our colleague, is still there. Nitin, we heard from a lot of fans a short while ago. We'd love to hear from some more, because that entire area around you seems to be a sea of RCB fans, and each of them have their own story and their own emotion to narrate.
Well, Nikhil, I was not able to hear you, what exactly you asked me, but I can understand that you were asking about the celebration, because so much noise, the fans are, just because of the celebration. Look at, so now the big thing is this celebration will actually go on, and they are just thinking that this is the time to celebrate. They were waiting for this moment for last 18 years, and this is the time when these fans are not going to stop. Here in the Ahmedabad, this celebration will go on. I'll ask my cameraman to show you some pictures that how exactly in a big number, the big RCB fans, in a large number, they have come. They wanted to see Virat Kohli. They wanted to see RCB winning this trophy, and their dream has now fulfilled. आपके लिए ये जीत कितनी बड़ी जीत है?
ये सबसे बड़ी जीत है। 18 साल के बाद जीत आई है, और आरसीबी बहुत खुश है, और यहाँ की क्राउड पूरा आरसीबी का सपोर्ट, फैंस खुश है, पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहा है आरसीबी को, और पूरा 18 साल का इंतजार आज खत्म हुआ है। आज विराट कोहली के लिए और बाकी पूरे फैंस के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है।
विराट कोहली बड़े इमोशनल भी हो गए थे, क्योंकि हमने देखा ये कहने का उनके मन में भी रहा होगा, यार इतने सालों के बाद ये फाइनली वो मौका आया है जब आरसीबी चैंपियन बनी है। इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं, इमोशनल विराट?
सर, विराट कोहली जिस तरीके से ग्राउंड में इमोशनल हो गए थे, बहुत बुरा लग रहा था अंदर से, बट दुआएं कर रहे थे हम लोग कि इस बार बस एक बार ट्रॉफी जीत ले किसी भी तरीके से। सर, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, सुकून मिला दिल को। ट्रॉफी जीते हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, और बहुत दुआएं की हमने अंदर ग्राउंड में जब
दुआएं एक्चुअली कबूल हो गई हैं। अब आप चैंपियन बन गए, आपकी टीम चैंपियन गई है।
लोग कहते हैं ना कि मर्द कभी रोते नहीं, आज सब मर्द रोएंगे।
देखिए सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि फाइनली आपका जो ड्रीम था, जो आप सोच रहे थे, वो सपना पूरा हुआ। अभी मुझे यहाँ पर कोई बोल रहा था कि ये पहली बार है लेकिन आखिरी बार नहीं है। ये एक बड़ी बात है, ये एक बड़ा मैसेज भी है। ठीक है, 18 साल का वक्त लगा, लेकिन फाइनली अब ये जो मैं सीन देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, ये जो विजुअल्स है, ये तो वर्ल्ड कप वाली जीत लग रही है।
हाँ, वर्ल्ड कप से भी ज्यादा लग रही है।
इस साल कब विराट के नाम में।
So this is what fans have to say, Nikhil. They are a bit emotional. They are feeling that this was the best time that RCB can make it, and they have actually done it. They are still, in that mindset. They are still trying to understand that actually they have won it. But yes, they have won it, and these kind of celebration here at Ahmedabad, Narendra Modi Stadium, I think will go on throughout the night. Nikhil.
Okay, thanks a lot for that update. Nitin Srivastava joining us from right outside the Narendra Modi Stadium, where the party is going to continue well into the night. The man of the moment, of course, is Virat Kohli. Not only is he the highest run getter for his team, but this title is also a culmination of 17, 18 years of hard work that he put for this franchise. Some seasons he was outstanding, the highest run getter, yet his team fell short of the title. This has finally happened. That one box that needed to be ticked in his career has happened.